Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make nice scrambled eggs using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 2 to 3 large eggs per person, 1 tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them gently until the yolks and whites are just combined. Remember, avoid over-whisking, as this can make your eggs tough and less enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat until it shimmers. This gentle heat is key. Pour your egg mixture into the pan and let it sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds. Then, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this process, moving the eggs around the pan. The secret to creamy scrambled eggs is all in the timing. Continue folding the eggs gently until they are mostly set but still slightly wet. This is crucial. Remove the pan from the heat just before they are fully cooked to prevent overcooking and keep them tender. For an extra creamy texture, you can stir in 1 tablespoon of cream cheese or a splash of milk right at the very end. Finally, it's time to finish and serve your delicious scrambled eggs. Season them with an additional pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Remember, serving them immediately on warm plates ensures the best flavor and texture. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with some fresh chives or parsley. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, easy scrambled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.